Diolch Gloucestershire, challenge accepted. Welcome to Wrexham.
Together stronger. Gorau, chwarae, cyd, chwarae.
Wales has a proud history of togetherness, and here at Foster Wales, we're on your team.
Every step of the way.
In your corner.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Cheering you on.
At Maethu Cymru, we are proud to support local children, and together we will find the right foster carer for them, the right match for you both.
In their local community,
Who share their interests. Whether it's Deadpool
Or football.
To get behind Wales this winter and join our team, contact your local authority fostering team to start your fostering journey.
Come on, Cymru!
Over to you, North Somerset.